Can you get a criminal charge for a DUI on a bike? No. But can you get a criminal charge for a DUI in a golf cart? Yes. Can you get a criminal charge for a DUI on a motorcycle? Well, duh. Can you get a criminal charge for a DUI on one of those little Barbie cars? Absolutely. That is a motorized vehicle. And you don't even need to be in a motorized vehicle to get a criminal charge for DUI. For example, you get a criminal charge for a DUI on a train, as long as you're involved in the operation of the train. You can also get it flying a plane, again, as long as you're involved in the operation of the plane. If you're drunk and you're sitting in your seat in like 34A, that's fine. You're okay, just don't fly the plane, or try to fly the plane, or assist in flying the plane, because then you can get a DUI. Other things that you can get a DUI in Canada that a lot of people don't know about: canoes, kayaks, anything that you paddle or row on the ocean. You don't even need to be in a motorized boat in order to get a DUI. You can still get a DUI in a motorized, a non-motorized boat, again, as long as you're assisting in the operation of it. And multiple people can be charged with DUI for the same vehicle in many circumstances. If there are multiple people assisting in the operation of a boat, a vessel, an aircraft, or a train, and they were all impaired or intoxicated or drunk over the limit or on drugs or had an elevated blood drug concentration, they can all face DUI charges, even though there were multiple different people operating the same vehicle at the same time. And it's not a defense that other people are charged in those circumstances. You can also get a DUI in Canada on a pool noodle, because this technically falls within the definition of a vessel, as long as you're using it on a roadway. But you can't get a DUI on a bicycle. You can't get a DUI on a hand-propelled wheelchair, but you could technically get a DUI in a motorized wheelchair, which arguably discriminates against people on the basis of disability, although I would be very unlikely that you would ever see somebody charged in those circumstances. It is possible, and there is case law on this. Ultimately, if you're on land and it has motors of some sort, you can get a DUI on it. If you're on train tracks, you can get a DUI on it regardless of what it is. If you're in the sky, you can get a DUI in it, provided you're assisting in the operation of it. And if you're on the waterway and you're propelling it in some way, whether electronically, whether through a motor, or whether through human propulsion, you can get a DUI in it. So be very careful what you're doing when you're drinking, because you can get a DUI in circumstances that you don't even think you could.